a song cycle called Six Songs of Shropshire. This is the final song, and it's a conversation between two friends, one who's passed on, and he's asking his friend how things are going on Earth, and his friend's telling him all about life, and he's asking him how he's doing at the end.
Lies down